Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable tolls and fees avoidance for Garmin Drive S61. And to do this you will need to click on the settings, select navigation and go for the bottom, select tolls and fees. And right here you can adjust toll roads. And here it will always ask, avoid them automatically, or you can allow it. Toll stickers, and now you can pick a specific country. There's no many available, but let's go for this one. And you can also adjust to always ask, avoid, or allow them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.